The Campark V30 has a pretty cool time-lapse feature that I tried out recently. I'll show you the results coming up on ThriftyAV. Before we get into the time-lapse footage, I want to show you how to access it in the menu. To access the time-lapse option, swipe up and select time-lapse. And now it'll say time-lapse here. Now I want to be able to select my frame rate on the time-lapse, so I'm going to hit this menu, this little gear, and this is the video menu. I'm going to scroll down until I see time-lapse interval. The default is 0.5 seconds, which corresponds to a 15x recording. There are 9 options ranging from 0.2 second intervals to 1 minute intervals. I shot footage 2 mornings in a row at half-second intervals. One morning was overcast, the next morning I got a pretty good sunrise out of it. Let's take a look. Watching the clouds roll in at 15x is pretty interesting here. But the sunrise the next morning still looks a little bit slow at 15x. I shot my frames at half-second intervals, but I can simulate what some of these other intervals would look like in post-production. Let's speed it up to 1 second intervals. This speed really puts some motion in those clouds, and check out the deer in the field. Here's what it would look like at 10-second intervals. For this one I started before the sun was even up, and I'm ending it pretty quick. And here's 30-second intervals. For this I'll show you everything I shot on both days, and it won't take long. If you enjoyed this video or anything else in the ThriftyAV series, please like and subscribe. Click the bell notification to stay updated. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone.